Thanks for helping me. By the way, why do you need a vending machine? I'll tell you later. Why do you sound so depressed? Shut the Yeah, that's why there's a vending machine. Let's go get a snack! Okay, there it is. I thought you were gonna pay. I think I'm broke. I heard you're broke. You shake my hand. I sold. Hold on, whatever happened to Bonnie all this time?
This is a song.
What the fuck? How much money did we get? $1.50.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, Hi. Me and my friend were gonna buy a Snickers bar from this vending machine. You want some?
Yeah, okay. Is your friend is gonna be okay?
Hey, creepy hobo man, I got your money back. Oh, I don't want money. I want your soul. Now tell me, why would I sell my soul to a homeless guy? Oh shit, he's actually doing it. I can't read. Bonnie, I fucked up. I have an idea.
What?
How'd you get here so fast?
I work here.
Cool, how long have you... No time to talk, you dumbasses.
What's the problem?
Someone's trying to kill my friend.
Let me see him.
I think it's happening out there. Who knows, bro? Let's just wait here.
Turns out it was my brother. And he is sorry what he did. And he can't take the money.
Yeah! Hell yeah!